Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix D3D compiler underscore 47.dll is missing or not found in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is to navigate here at the bottom search bar and type for Chrome. The moment you have typed it, wait until a best match would appear and go with Open to continue. And wait until a new window, which is called Google Chrome browser, would appear in our screen. Okay, so you need to proceed at the description box below. I'll be including at the link there. I'll be pasting a link there. You just have to copy it so that you can paste it here at the window search bar of this Google Chrome browser. So Control V to paste. And once you have pasted it, please press enter to continue and wait until you are being redirected to the result. Once you are here, you'd be redirected to this mediafire.com website. You need to proceed with this attachment link where you can download this D3D compiler underscore 47 which is missing in your Windows. So click on this download option. It will only take few minutes since in fact it only contains 1.54 MB of size. So click on it and wait until it will be downloaded. Once done, close this window. Okay, and proceed to the file that you have just downloaded, which is D3D compiler underscore 47. Please do a right click. Okay. And you need to scroll down and look for WinRAR. Click on it and go with extract here. Once you have extracted it, wait until this would appear, which is this. So double tap to it. Okay. And you would be able to see a new text document which contains a command here in your Windows. Okay, so it is loading. Don't worry, you just have to wait until it will be done. Okay, you'd be able to see all of such where you need to minimize this notepad and proceed with this file. We're here to do a right click and click this copy icon. Click on it and navigate to your File Explorer. Open your File Explorer, click on it, and proceed with your C drive or local disk. Double tap to it and proceed with your Windows. Afterwards, you need to scroll down and look for a file folder named System32. I can see it here. Double tap to it. And here in this area, you need to do a right click and go with the spaced icon. Okay. So it has this destination as already as a file named, which is this. I have already in my case, but in your case, if not, go with continue. Okay. So, so my folder is access denied. You just have to continue in your case. It says here folder access denied since I have already the file, but in your case, you can proceed. Okay. So click on continue so that you can proceed. And once you have pasted it there, check if your problem has been fixed. Okay. I'm sure it will be working this time. So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.